Welcome. In today's video, we are going to walk through the step-by-step process of completing the Harford County Public Schools pre-kindergarten application online. First, visit the registration website at registration.hcps.org. Click Create an Account. Enter your email and a secure password. Once done, log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, select PK Student Application. A message will pop up for you to read. Once you have read the message, click Continue to Application. You will then see the Harford County Public Schools pre-kindergarten application cover sheet. Read through the information, then click Acknowledge and Continue to move forward. Now, you will fill in your child's information and select the school year you are applying for. Next, enter your home address and click Search. Then select the correct address. If your home school has a pre-K program, the system will assign the correct school. If your home school does not have a pre-K program, you will be prompted to select a different school. Keep in mind that if your child is accepted, you must provide transportation. Next, select your child's race, ethnicity, and language. Then indicate if they have been previously enrolled in a public school program. Next, if your child receives any special services, select all that apply. You also have the option of uploading IEP documents here. When you are uploading documents, please ensure that they are one of the permissible files listed above. Next, you will enter the required details for the parent or legal guardian and click Complete and Continue. Next, complete the home language survey using the drop-down arrows. Then click Complete and Continue. In this section, you must provide proof of income. Economics is the primary factor in determining pre-K eligibility. To verify income, you will be asked to provide the Federal Income Tax Form 1040 with the student listed as a dependent filed by April 15th of this year. If you are unable to provide the Federal Income Tax Form 1040, please provide one of the following: notarized letter of no income, medical assistance, supplemental nutrition assistance, foster care documentation and income received for foster care, Medicaid eligibility, temporary assistance for need families, DSS certification. Any documentation must have an effective date. Please complete the information listed below. Then you will upload the correct file. Please be sure that you are uploading a PDF or correct file. Once the file is uploaded, please click the drop-down arrow to select the type of document uploaded. Then select which of the following best represents the student's physical residence. You will then click Sign and Continue. Read through the pre-K attendance policy and click Sign and Continue once you're done. If you are ineligible for bus services, indicate whether you will be able to provide transportation. Click Sign and Continue. If all required documents are uploaded and all sections are completed, you will see a green banner that says Ready to Submit. Click the drop-down arrow and select Submit Packet. Enter your email address and password and click Sign and Submit Packet. Once submitted, you'll see a confirmation message stating that your application has been successfully completed. HCPS will review your application and send further instructions. Keep in mind that if your child is accepted, you must submit hard copies of all required documentation directly to the school. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope this guide made the pre-K application process simple and stress-free for you and your family.